Jerpo Tech here. Today we are going to see if we can play PlayStation 5 inside the Apple Vision Pro so we can check out Black Ops 2, one of my favorite PlayStation, Xbox, Call of Duty video games of all time. I haven't played since college. I've been playing a little bit on the TV, and I really wanted to see if I can make it work on the Apple Vision Pro. Now, I've been kind of leading up and getting prepared for this because GTA 6 comes out this fall. I told my wife, I haven't played video games in years, but I told my wife when and if the new GTA 6 ever comes out, I do plan on spending some time playing it. Child on the way or not, I will find some time in the middle of the night to play it. And I thought, what a great opportunity if I could just lay in bed, not disturbing anyone, and play it inside the Apple Vision Pro. How fantastic would that be? So let's check out Black Ops 2 on the PS5 and see if we can make it work. We're going to try the Asobi app out on the Apple Vision Pro, so let's jump right into it. All right, we're inside the Apple Vision Pro. Let's go ahead and open the Asobi app. Now, to my understanding, this allows us to remotely connect to our PlayStation 5. Now, keep in mind, I have already tried this, and I did have the premium version of the Asobi app. So if you go into settings here, I gotta stop it. If you go into settings here, you'll see that I can't change any of these settings. You have to buy the app, which is $25. Now, I did previously buy the app, but I wasn't having any better luck, and I was recommended to get a refund and retry because it was showing up that it wasn't purchased, but I had purchased it. Anyways, long story short, let's just see if we can get it done with the free version and start there. So let's go ahead and jump in. Now, I have already paired the PS5 controller directly to the headset. And let's go into multiplayer. Now, I don't think this is going to be great in multiplayer, especially in highly competitive first-person shooters. There's just going to be some input lag to deal with. And, I mean, that makes sense. We're streaming the game from the PlayStation 5, which is already connected online, where it's streaming from, and then it's streaming it to the headset, so you know, I don't know. I don't have high hopes here, but let's just see if it is playable. So if you want to see how to get this all set up and connected, wait till the end and I'll just show you how I connected my PS5 to the Apple Vision Pro remotely. All right, we're on hijacked here. Let me just turn down the volume a little bit. Okay, so, I mean, right off the bat, it feels okay. Keep in mind, we are on low latency. We are on the free version. And let's see. Okay. Yeah, maybe that was just some user error. Maybe that was me not playing in over a decade from this game. Let's see here. I know there's a guy here. Let's see if I can get to him before he gets to me. Yeah. I don't think this is going to be a viable option for first-person shooters, competitive first-person shooters. There seems to be quite a bit of discrepancy between when I pull the triggers, move the joysticks, and what happens on screen. I mean, it seems fine, left to right, up and down, jumping even seems to oh yeah, I don't know. All right, let's try again. Let's try another match. First impressions, you know, can you play the game? Yes. Can you play it competitively? Absolutely not. But keep in mind, this is just a test. Realistically, I want to be able to play GTA 6 and from bed, you know, campaign mode. So I just don't know what that's going to look like. Let's try something else. Let's try zombies, which is locally played on the game. We're not playing an online match against other players. So let's give zombies a try and see what that's all about. Okay, so let's turn the volume back up a little bit here.
Workings of the lighting systems.
Okay, so we're in a local game of zombies. We're not playing online. We are just streaming from the PlayStation directly to the Apple Vision Pro, and let's see if this is playable or not. So far, it seems better. It seems to be... Oh, there it goes. It seems to play okay for a couple seconds, and then all of a sudden, you know, the input lag just really shows up. Yeah, see that my aiming is just, it's very delayed.
Have I mentioned I despise personal interaction?
Man, we used to spend so many hours playing these games in college, in the dorm rooms with buddies. I don't know if this makes me a loser or not, but we would play. We would just get a case of beer and stay in some nights and just play zombies at the house instead of going out. You know, I don't know. This kind of makes me a little worried about playing GTA 6 like this. Well, this is working, and it is very cool that I can even do this in the first place. Like, I can make this screen absolutely huge. Oh. I can make this screen very large and play it through the Vision Pro no matter where I am, which is very cool. But it definitely, the experience definitely leaves something to be desired. I'll just leave it at that. Again, I don't have the full Pro Asobi app anymore. I was playing around with it, and I wasn't having any better results. Maybe if you know something I don't, and you can guide me in the right direction. I really, really, really would love to play GTA 6 inside the Apple Vision Pro. Maybe the Asobi app just isn't the right app, or maybe I'm just not using it right, or maybe there's just simple limitations of streaming a game from a PlayStation to the Apple Vision Pro that is just not realistic to play video games on. So either way, I'm not really sure. Please let me know in the comments below if you have any recommendations or you know more about streaming with the PS5 to the Apple Vision Pro. Like I said, I really, really, really would love to have this working in November for the GTA 6 launch. I'd love to be able to just play from the comfort of my bed without disturbing the wife, and we will have a newborn shortly after, so I have to figure out a way to play GTA 6. I don't know what that solution is yet. I really thought the Apple Vision Pro was going to be my meal ticket to discreetly playing GTA 6 in the house with kids, but I don't know. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. Like I said, watch till the end. I'll show you how I ended up setting up the Remote Play PS5 to the Apple Vision Pro. If you're completely new to it and you want to tinker around yourself, maybe you can figure out some better settings than I was able to. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and Jerpotech out.